Hi friends, you will need Gua Sha to any facial toner mist and facial oil, and here's the checklist. Let's start our Gua Sha session. Spray a fine mist on your skin and gently patting it. This move is for better oil absorption for your skin. Next, apply some drops of facial oil and warm it up with your palms. This will provide the perfect slippery surface for our Gua Sha. Apply the facial oil to your face and gently pressing to absorb. Don't forget the neck area as well. Next is the warm up. You may think it is weird and completely different from other Gua Sha videos, but the truth is, in traditional Chinese medicine, we have acupoints on our face and our body. Activating facial acupoints during Gua Sha is very important. It stimulates energy flow and helps unblock stagnant, and it's also for better Gua Sha result. Just the same as warming up your body before you go running to prevent from any injuries. Use the tip of the Gua Sha tool to activate our facial acupoints, gently pressing and wiggling the acupoints, starting from bottom to the top, from left to right. After the activation, we use the flat side of the Gua Sha tool, and we are starting with our forehead. Scraping the forehead with Z shape. This one can help with reducing frown lines. And if you feel pins and needles while scraping, it is completely normal because if you like to frown and the muscle in your forehead area tighten up over time. Moving to our eyebrows area, scraping your brow from inner brow to the outer brow, 10 times each side. Next is the under eye area. Make sure be super gentle and slowly scraping and gliding to your temple. This move can improve blood circulation and help you reducing dark circles and say bye to puffy eyes. Moving to our face and cheeks, glide your tool with the flat side from your nose up towards to the temple. This move can help smoothing those smile lines. Do it 10 times each side. Next, starting from the side of your mouth, slowly gliding up towards to the temple. This move can help uplifting your face and preventing saggy face. Now, gliding from the chin up towards to your ears. Keep doing these uplifting motions 10 times for each side. Next, we're going to use this V shape of the tool to sculpt our jawline. If you keep doing this 3 times a week, trust me, you will have a clear, snatched jawline. Now let's switch side. Repeat the same gliding and do it 10 times. If you have double chin, this one is definitely for you. Use the flat side of the tool to glide your chin area for 10 times. Be aware that your skin can get a little redness during the Gua Sha session, but it's completely fine because the blood is flowing. But it should never hurt or leave any red marks on your skin for more than 10 minutes. If you have any breakouts or pimples on your face, please avoid this area or just stop this Gua Sha session. Finally, use face towel to get rid of some excess oil, especially if you have oily skin type. And after this Gua Sha, you can apply some facial serum to keep your face moisturized and to keep youthful. Hope you enjoyed this Gua Sha. See you in the next one.